Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Innovative Tech YouTube channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Sonoff range of devices in 2020. Yeah, you heard it correctly. We are going to do an unboxing of Sonoff range of devices in 2020. So let's get started. New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. So on this channel you already know that we do unboxing of smart home devices and the tech which is actually related to smart home, whether it is your home, it's your car, whichever is a smart device we actually unbox on this channel. So right now we are actually doing an unboxing of the Sonoff range of devices, basically the Sonoff devices which are actually smart home enabled devices, and there are different products. It's a big unboxing, it's a special big unboxing. So let's get started and see what's inside these boxes. I will be presenting you a kind of around six devices which I'll be unboxing in this video. So it's going to be very interesting and it's going to be a big unboxing. So let's start by putting up the devices. So this is the first device, Sonoff TX is the wall switch, and another Sonoff TX 3 GHz wall switch, and then we have the Sonoff Hyphen. The other device is the Sonoff dimmer. We have this Sonoff dimmer right now, and the fifth device is Sonoff USB adapter, and the last one to go is Sonoff LED strip. So let's go one by one. I have put all the devices right now. You can see the LED strip light is not coming inside the camera as well in the view, but let's unbox one by one. So this is a big unboxing. I'll do one by one. So let's start with the TX. I'll take the 3 GHz. So what is this Sonoff TX? It's a wall switch which can be used for your smart home automation, controlling lights, even the fan, and even other devices. It's a simple device. I'll just take it out. Okay, so this is the glass panel device. It's a UK based, as you can see. So this is one of the device which is the touch switch, and it can be used for your wall. Okay, so this will fit on your wall. I have made a similar video for the Sonoff touch switch. That was not with the RF. This has the RF capabilities as well. So as you can see on this, it says model T1 UK 3C. That's 3 GHz, and RF is also there, Wi-Fi based is also there, input current, output current, and total 6 ampere you can give Wi-Fi, and dimensions is there. So this is the wall switch. Obviously EWE link support is there, and you can EV link support is there. So obviously the EV link support is there, and you can download the app with this QR code. You can do the Wi-Fi smart lighting, Wi-Fi smart plugs. These are all Sonoff range of devices, but this TX is generally for the wall switches. It's a wall switch, it's a touch panel, and it works with Google Assistant and Alexa. So let's keep it aside. Let's see in the next device, the Sonoff dimmer switch. Now this is come into existence because a lot of people need the ambience lighting in their home, which they want to dim it, and they want to use it. So this works with a special LED lights which are actually dimmable lights. So just to remember, it cannot be used with general LED bulbs. You need the dimmer LED bulbs, and also it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. And this is also a general device, dimmer, which will dim the light and switch off and switch on. From the back it looks like this, and from the front it looks like this. Making a separate video for this with installation. So let's keep this aside. Obviously this is also RF based control. As you can see here, the RF control is also there, and Wi-Fi. So both TX and Sonoff dimmer or Sonoff D1 is having the RF control. As you can see here, it says right the RF control. So even if your internet is not there, it can be controlled. Now the third device and the most important device is the Sonoff Hyphen, and it's Sonoff Hyphen 3. Hyphen 2 is also in the market, but 3 is being used wide popularly because of its RF capability, and then again it's a Wi-Fi based, Amazon Alexa, EV link support, and Google Assistant. It's also a DIY. So basically DIY, what it does is it stands for, now Sonoff has come up with the DIY switches which can be used with your own firmware, and I will talk to you on this on a separate video, not on this video. So this also, if you can see, if you open the box, it comes like this. This is the main device. It's the Sonoff iFan 03, and if you see, these are the cables and these are the antennas. So a separate video for this as well, but it does have one extra device or extra controller inside this pack, and that's why I bought this, because this is very interesting. I'll keep it inside. So it does comes with a RF remote, and this is your Sonoff RF remote. It's the new RF remote. It does has a magnetic stand which will be coming in later days, but it has 8 buttons, and different buttons is different functions. Here you can set the functions as well. There is an LED light as well here which can be which starts blinking when you pair it, and then you can find the remote as well here if you open it. So this is a magnet and this is a battery. This is the RF remote, and it can be used with wide range of devices. You can use this with this thing, you can use with this thing. So dimmer, TX, everything will work with this. Okay, so this is very important. So let's keep this aside. Let's go back to the another device which I have told you on this video. So let's come to the big packet or the small one. Let's take this one. So now what is this? This is a very interesting device, and I love this device. Really, it's low cost, but it is having a lot of capabilities and a lot of functions. So this is a Sonoff USB smart adapter, so you can plug it to your charger or any USB device. And how does it works? It works in a very simple way. It doesn't need your raw power. Just plug it on your adapter or your charger, mobile charger, and then you can put the cable here. Now if you give a command to Alexa, it will switch it off, switch it on. Another, you can use it from manually here. Same thing, timer is there, and all that functions which a normal switch is there, this USB adapter is having. So it is having one more function which is actually very interesting, and that is you can protect your mobile phone from overcharging. Yes, you heard it correctly, you can protect your mobile phone from overcharging. So if you know that if your mobile phone is having the mobile phone battery charges in around 30 minutes or 40 minutes or in around 1 hour, so you can set the timer according to that, and you can switch it off automatically with the command or with the app, so your mobile phone doesn't overcharge. So same works with Alexa, Google Assistant, voice control, and timer control, remote control. So all those things are there, but it doesn't have an RF thing, so it is only a Wi-Fi based device. It doesn't have an RF, or obviously the mobile charging is 5 volt 2.5 ampere, so that is very important to keep in mind, 2.5 ampere. Okay, so let's unbox the big packet now. And this is Sonoff Smart LED strip. LED strips are very popular these days. You can put it in back of your TV unit, you can put in back of your computer unit, or your any kitchen place or any dining area, and this can be hidden and it looks very attractive. So this is the original packing. I will do a separate video on this as well. All of these devices will be having a separate video. This is a big Sonoff unboxing where I have put all these devices together. So let's go by this. So it's a smart LED light strip, and it's Sonoff L1. That's the name actually. And if you see the box, it has a decent packing. Okay, works with Google Alexa, Nest, Google Assistant, and also works with Tmall Genie. So this is new. I am not aware of it, but let's see what this is. But anyways, we use these two in our daily life, and it does have the Wi-Fi. It's Wi-Fi enabled, and it's having the input current of 100 to 240 volts. So as you can see, it is 50/50 RGB, so it is very good device. Let's take it out. Okay, and the box is not that good, but yeah, it is okay types. So if you see, there are a lot of boxes in this. I'll do an unboxing another video. The main strip unit is in this. I won't open it. Another which you will find here is the adapter. This will have the adapter. I will open it, and why I will open it, there is reason for that. I want to show you the different kind of adapters which comes with it. So this is the EU and Indian plug, whatever you call it. This is the US based plug, and this is the mostly used in China and other places. So these three adapters, so we'll be using this. So this adapter is indeed having all the power adapter is having all those adapters which can be used. This is the actual remote and the controller. As you can see, I'll open the controller because this is the main unit of it. So very small controller, but it is the one which will actually function, and you can see that E-V-Link support is there. It does come with a normal IR remote. I will open this remote, and you can see the Sonoff branding as well. Unboxing video coming soon on this with an installation. So I will repack it. So this is the one, and if you see here on this part, there is a manual. Okay, so nothing else in the box. So you have the LED strip. I'll show you a look of the LED strip. The LED strip, it's black in color with the device. If I pull it out, you can see it like this. It's quite interesting, and obviously 4-pin. I told you it's 50/50 RGB, so it will be 4-pin. It's not the 5-pin. So all these devices will be unboxed and will be shown to you in a different set of videos. But as of now, Sonoff in 2020 has come up with all these devices, and if you see the Sonoff branding, the Sonoff branding has been changed. If you remove this here, and if you see these boxes, they are typical in color. If you see, they are typical in color, same color. So whatever device you find in these colors, you can tell that these are 2020 devices. Okay, so all these devices I will be doing an unboxing along with this in a separate video, but the most interesting of this will be the according to me will be the smallest one of this. This is a very interesting device, and it will help you in lot of things. All your USB cameras, all your cameras, IP cameras, dome cameras which are powered by USB adapters, or your mobile chargers, those can be used with this. So that's another. And fan, as you know, fan controller, fan plus light controller, and then TX switches, wall switches. So that's all for this video, my friends. There will be another part of this video, individual unboxing of each of these devices with installation, and that will be actually coming soon. Thanks for watching this channel. Do subscribe and like, share our videos. Thank you.